Come here, let's see if there's another way to handle it with files. No, but if we have the old audio, and I brought it as a local file, which is file number 54. I brought it as a file. I didn't bring it as audio, okay? I brought it as a file, not as audio. And I told him to go ahead and name it here as well, 54. So here, does it look like the audio at all? I mean, not even a word you listen to, not even the shape of the microphone. And it doesn't express anything. But whoever presses it, card will sound card. So how does this help us in dealing with Microsoft's cloud? The Microsoft cloud makes things easier for us because I can keep my files in a place outside the course, which makes building the course much simpler. Just imagine if all your files were inside the course, and if there's a problem with the course, you can't really rebuild it properly from scratch. But when all your files are on an external cloud, you feel secure, especially with a strong cloud like this, which is a global service. That's a completely different topic, especially when it comes to audio. Now, let's take a look at the last part related to this. And if there's a problem with the course, you can't really build the course from scratch properly. But when all your files are on an external cloud, you feel secure. That's different, especially for audio. Now let's take a look at the last part related to this. Regarding audio, which is the web connection, I take from the cloud, I took an element, file, audio, link, where all of these are connected to my work. If I say a web link and put my file here, everything is fine. I will just put the link and put the name here as audio. With the audio, I take from the cloud an element, file, audio, or link. These are connected to my work. If I come here and say a web link and put my file that works with this cloud here, everything is fine. I link and name it audio, then open in a new window. Yeah, if I come here and tell it, for example, a web link, and I put my file that works with this cloud. Here, everything is fine for me. I won't do anything else. Other than that, I will just put the link and put the name here as audio. I come here and tell it to open in a new window. This is audio. You can listen to, called listen. You can take your files. This is automatic. Click to open. Focus on this method. Delete audio outside the cloud. Consider this reference. Only if you want this view and have a link. All right, let's get rid of the first method. Even though it's really nice, goodbye to that. And let's also delete everything related to audio outside the cloud. We didn't like the first method because it's on the same page. And the second method is good. I'll consider this reference, meaning I won't use it unless you want this view, and have created a link. And then you put your link in the same title. And you say to open it in a new window so that you feel secure. And then you say save. Now your reference is working, right? There you go. Make a link and put your link in the same address. And you tell it to open in a new window so you feel secure, and then you say save. Now your reference is working. Right? There you go. There's no problem at all. If you want, but the listen option here is working, and listen in a new screen is also working. Everything is functioning the same way. So all of this brings you audio files and just a link. That's it, an audio link. And you add its description. Keep in mind that some people like to put the description down here under the file. About the unit. The first one is fine. About the sound card, for example. So it lasts for 2 minutes. And I don't know what else and stuff like that. So you find this description written down below, meaning the student can come and click to listen to the audio. That's it. They just click to listen to the audio. Where's their work? The work. Where is it coming from? The work. Is it coming from the cloud? Did you upload it? When you come to system management, it tells you, hey everyone, don't upload videos, audio, or images to the course so that the system doesn't slow down. So the cloud here allowed us something. It's really distinguished in dealing with audio files. Of course, videos. Let's take a video file here. I have a video file that might not be too big compared to the audio. For example, here's a video. Are these files perhaps, for example, videos? It won't be here, but I want to try the video with you and also see how we can get it from the cloud. So here's a video, right? Now, Come here, let's just take a look at this folder. Sridhi. I have it here. Sir, the animation file. Let's take, for example, this first file. It might be a bit large. It's not big at all, just 8 megabytes, so we can watch it. From outside, those 8 megabytes. Welcome to the training program, Excellence in Management. The goal of the training program is for the trainee to be able to. This is an introductory video for a training course called Excellence in Management, no problem at all. So I have this video here. Just look at the mess called the empty animation. Yeah, okay. The image is Seward. Here is the first video. I am actually here. And this could be the second video. 9 or larger than that. Welcome to the training program on self-management for achieving success. So here's the self-management program, achieving success. All right, let's take a look at these videos. I have this folder here, 10 megabytes, and this one is also 10 megabytes. So that's 20 megabytes. Of course, there are many more videos than that, significantly more. So I'll do what I did for the video that I want. This is video number 2, like A. And of course, it will bear with you above. You will see this tape. You will see how much it has borne. If you are not paying attention to it, it does not matter to us. This is a video file. I will not add more to the video. I will not add more to what we did in the audio. It was enough and more. Yes, and therefore I will be able to take a copy link here. Okay? The same thing applies to the likes of share video. It does not matter. It does not matter. You see what you want to take. I don't want anything. It's just enough, right? Or do you want the University of Qasim? But you can see it for your students, teachers, and colleagues through our cloud. I can prefer to take anyone. He can use this like it was given to him, not it was given to him, it was in his view. I'm going to give it to my students. So I'm just taking a copy of this link. Now let's quickly play around with the video a bit without too many explanations. I can add an element here, and we have something like that, as you could say. Oh, is there a code I can use? It should bring up the video screen. Honestly, I had that code with me. Here, let me try to send it to you as well. This is really important. I mean, if you receive it, you'll find it, and if you don't, you won't. The video it is in just under a minute. You'll benefit if we get the code. The code was recorded here with me. Mesh. I'll just take this. Just share. Oh, I'll take a copy of it. And I send it here. I got it. I'm dying. Is this a method that will really help you? It will also process the video better. I haven't tried it with the sound, but there's no harm in us looking at it. Come on, just right. Where's your group approximately? Because I honestly can't find it. Should I send it to Dr. Mohammed Jabir and get it from him and that's it? Yeah. We can play audio and video. In the code, if I copy, paste, and change the video links, how will it work? I sent it to Dr. Mohammed Gaber and took this link. The video is mentioned twice. Here's an MP4 link. This might work when the video is on cloud, not necessarily OneDrive. How is it working? Is it? In the code we have, if I copy, paste, and change the video links, how will it work? I sent it to Dr. Mohammed Gaber and took this link. The video is mentioned twice. Here's an MP4 link. This might work when I took this link, but notice the video is mentioned twice. Here's an MP4 video link. This might work when the video is directly on cloud, not always OneDrive. Is it working? I have two screens. Can colleagues confirm the screen is working to start copying the code? I took it from cloud and it's a big file. I'll share the code in the group for you to try. This code is for an external video. If you have a video on cloud, the rest of the team can confirm that the screen is working so I can start copying the code. I took it from cloud and it's a big file. I'll share it with the group so you can try it out. This code is in case you have an external video. If you have an external video on cloud, no, doctor, how is that? You sent it to me after I sent it? Or doctor, did someone from the team just send it to me right now? Where do you write this code? The blue areas are where the links go. Let's try together. I'll change the blue areas. I have here, sorry, this isn't cloud. I have another cloud that has a video. I might copy this video. This video might work for me or it might not. Why? Because this one is different. This is cloud. You have an external video on cloud. No, doctor. How is that? I noticed that. By any chance, did you send it to me after I sent it? Or doctor, did any of the colleagues perhaps send it to me right away? Immediately. Where do you write this code? The blue areas are where the links go. I'll change the blue areas. I might copy this video. It might work or not because it's different. It's cloud. Its method differs from OneDrive, but I'm trying it with you. Let's take the same source and bring it again. I have new code for a new video. Here's the code. After changing the links and taking my video link from OneDrive, will it work or annoy me? Let's get the source code and I'll paste it. I did it, brought it here, and I'll save it. What happened here? It brought a video frame and started working. Now I'll tell it 54. Important for it to work and capture the video. So I'll say export. Its method is different from OneDrive. Bring the same source here. After changing links, take my video link from OneDrive. Get the source code and paste. It brought a video frame and started working. Tell it 54 to capture the video, then export. Oh, the video frame code succeeded, but the OneDrive video didn't work with the embedded code. The first code works on another platform. To add an element from a different platform than OneDrive. It will work perfectly, or will it annoy me? Come here to the elements and I'll get the source code and say paste. I just did it and I brought it here and I'll save it. What happened here? Oh my God, it brought you a video frame and started working with you. Now I want to tell it 54, which is important for it to work and capture the video. So I'll say come here, export, come here. This is the video frame. The video frame code worked, but the video itself from OneDrive didn't play with the embedded code. However, the first code works when you place it on another platform. If I want to add an element that exists on a different platform other than OneDrive, I mean, sorry. And then I say, put this video source for me and check if the video is there or not. I saw the difference in the stages of shopping. The code is the same, but the link for OneDrive from Microsoft doesn't work, while the other external cloud link worked.